I'm gonna stand behind you and be like,
what's up, Straight Up Driven? I got my bodyguard over here. We're in Las Vegas Speedway. Is that what it's called?
Las Vegas Speedway, yeah.
Yes, at Import Face Off. And what are we doing here?
We're doing giveaways for Straight Up Driven. We're giving away, all you gotta do is subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram. We're giving away apparel, detail buckets, cash, over $1,500 worth. Just out here trying to meet new friends, new fans, and you know, seeing what everybody wants to see for the channel coming up. Inspire the kids, chase their dreams, go out and get it. We do more of that. The world's gonna be a better place when we leave. The kids are the future. Anything for the kids. We don't care, anything. They can walk on the seats, they can jump on the car, anything for the kids with Straight Up Driven. All right guys, had to show you this. Another good friend of ours, Randy. This car is just incredible. It wins Best of Show 9 out of 10 times. The work, the money, the craftsmanship that's gone into this car. Just look at the motor. Look at the motor, Sky. You gotta show them the motor. Like, have you seen a cleaner motor? I never have. Lamborghini blue paint, painted throughout, system, shows, Sky, you gotta show them the car. All right guys, right-hand drive, Skyline right here, blue, very clean, Straight Up Driven approved. I love these cars. I had one back in the day. It wasn't a GTR, but I did have a right-hand drive Skyline R32 back in the day. I'd love to see another one come back to the collection at some point, but this is clean. I like this.
Oh, hey, I think I got some good ones. I got some good ones.
Alright, how about
I got some good ones right here. Boom.
We stuck away from the car show side. We're out here on the drag race side. Some really fast cars putting down some impressive times. Check it out. There, he didn't even budge, just his eyes open, bro. I was hoping to get a jump out of here, something.
The Lamborghini is idling louder than the... I love my child. Lamborghini, 3, 2, 1.
Let's go.
Yes, sir. That was on top of the super hard.
About to drive this thing for the low car Lambo. It's gonna be crazy.
Put it on number 2. Take parking brake down. Put your foot on the brake. Put it in Put it in Corsa. Kyle won low car limbo in the Lambo. He obviously does a better job than Dad, so he'll have to drive the car from now on. So Kyle,
Yeah.
you won low car limbo.
This gentleman right here brings sometimes $1 million in cars, and he'll tell any child, anybody out there, you like car, hop in, no problem. Very humble, very cool. Guys like this, when I was growing up, are the reason today that I am such a car fanatic. So thank you for what you do.
You've been adding it up. This is almost $1,000 in cash, not counting the high quality sweaters and shirts they're giving you guys right now. $200 goes to. Let's see.
Uh-oh, dun dun dun.
1165, bro.
Show it off. Show it
One more time out. Congrats to Aaron Tomasada. He won the front wheel drive class. He just won a $3,000 that we owe.
All right, guys, we're here at Import Face Off Las Vegas. Here with two new Straight Up Driven fans. The kids are the future. That's why we did Straight Up Driven. So these gentlemen here, they got their shirts. We're gonna be following the Instagram. They're part of the Straight Up Driven future. We're real excited. We're nothing without the kids. So I appreciate you guys coming out and support. What's your name?
Payson?
Payson?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And what's your name?
Yeah.
Chad, thank you so much. All about the kids, guys. This is what we do it. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you soon.